I keep seeing recipes online where the topping on your ube is cheese. And I know latik, which is a caramelized coconut cream, but I've never done cheese. Let's try it out. Maybe it's actually good. So on one of the recipes, it called for grated white American cheese. So I'm gonna try that first. Fresh made ube is actually very soft, and this is refrigerated, so it's kind of hard. So I'm gonna warm it up a bit. Okay, nice. That's soft. Let's give it a try. Oh. Wow. That actually works. I'm amazed. I've never tried it like this before. It's like the saltiness of the American cheese is actually complementing the flavor and sweetness of the ube. Wow. It actually makes a good pair. I've also seen recipes with cheddar or cheddar jack, so let's give that a try. Not as impactful as the white American cheese. I mean, it's still good, but I like the white American cheese better for sure. Wow. Hey, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe.